So I just wanted to give my opinion on a couple of things, and here you go. Enjoy. Boyfriends slash girlfriends. They're good for you. Life, need to live it. Rich people, it's good for them. Poor people, sad for them. Love, God's good creation. Hate and war, God's bad creation. Friends, love him. Enemies, hate him. Homosexuality, something God created. Heterosexuality, also something God created. School, hate it but need it. Big houses, easy to live in. Small flats, hard to live in. Recycling, good for the environment. Cars, bad for the environment. Skateboards, cool. Sports, good. Computers, in all sizes. Nature, love it. Makeup, God's invention. The internet, the best. YouTube, even better. So thanks for watching, and bye YouTube.